have a new lawnmower, a Craftsman. I'm going to rip into it, do the tear out on it, checking for loose parts, putting it together, and making it run. And I'm doing it on video just so you guys can see what all is involved. Oh, and if it's worth anything to you at all, I'm Jack Cassidy! I don't have my t-shirt. There, Michael Mara fans, have a good time with that. If you have to ask, you don't need it. If you have to ask, I'll explain it. There we go. That's a better way. Okay, so we got, that's not going to get used. Charger for the battery, and connector arms. Oh look, distractions. Those aren't going to get used. Actually, yes they will, and that's the fun part. Oh look, general setup. Salute it, it's general setup. Motor oil. Bag. I have to put some fuel in it. Board cell's still in the box, but it's just going to get cut out of the box. I can cut it and roll it. Hey look, that's exactly what it says to do. Alrighty then, that's what we're going to do. $125 knives, and what am I using? I'm using a thing that's this big. Size doesn't matter, guys. Let's go back here. Color me impressed. Oh, okay. What's interesting, the battery, this is an electric start, the thing is the battery on it is located in the, underneath the deck. The reason I find that interesting, it's already attached, connected, and fused. And I don't have any oil in it yet. Also, the battery's already hooked up. Scary, if you ask me, but I would have left one of these connectors unattached so I couldn't accidentally try and start this stupid thing until I knew for sure I had oil in it. Again, that's just me. That's a suggestion for you guys, by the way, that whoever built this, Sears Husqvarna, had a Husqvarna tag on the box. So apparently Husqvarna is doing the Craftsman. Good mower. Like I said, they were asking me yesterday, how come we didn't look at a Husky instead of one of these? Well, a couple of things. The Huskies, just the way the feel of them, they didn't feel quite as done. These are made to Sears' specification, apparently by Husqvarna. So I don't know what Sears does on their specs. It's slightly different, but it just, you push the two mowers and I feel this one feels a lot more sturdy than the other one does. Maybe it's just perception. Could be. Could be that I don't like orange instead of black. I don't know. That didn't seem to matter a whole lot to me ever in the past. I mean, you know me, colors. Anyway, if I had anything other than black, I'd be good because black is a never-ending thing to keep it clean. But anyway, it's just one of those things that's kind of strange. I was kind of amazed when I saw that it was actually made by Husky, even though it's not that. I'm trying to see. It's binding me up here. Okay. Hoping a few wee grams of fuel in my can over here. it says to pour it in. You know what? Rule 1 is you never pour it in until you make sure that you're not dripping somewhere. So, before I fire it up, before I do anything else, I'm going to look underneath and make sure. In this case right here, that's where that battery's at that I was commenting on. There we go. Battery actually bolts in underneath there. Lays nice and sharp, lays nice and tight. Drain plug is in place. Belt looks good for the self-drive. Good. Really, I'm not real crazy about it. I don't like where they put the drain for the oil. But it looks like you have to suction it out instead of draining it out. Not real crazy about that. I am a big fan of check again, check a third time. Oh, hey, let's check it one more time before we finish up. Just because safety is our friend. Now adding the oil. That's full. Set that aside so we can do stuff later. I got no-go juice. We are full. That's it. Okay. So once it cranks around a few times and gets in, you should be good. Alright. Rinse the soil off because two things. One, it's neat. Two, grass will getting on it. Three, just the right thing to do. This is speed control for the walking. Grab it and start walking. Let go of it and it quits. Pretty cool. Hey, look, I'm a low rider. That's not very nice of me. The cool part about this one is it has member features on each of the pegs, so that when you set your ride heights, you're setting your ride heights all the way around. And if you notice how these are, they're very large sized. If you'll notice, these are set high enough, large. You can see the pegs. Makes it much easier to control. Okay, you can sit by just simply pulling this and adjusting. You can set your ride height. So I'm setting this to the highest level right now. Number 9. Whoops, over the edge, number 9. And number 9. That way everything's up and steady. Control features. Push button to start. There is no push button for the start because there is the push button for the start. It doesn't kick in until after you push it in and set it in place. All the wiring goes in, plugged in, it's already set. The battery, as I said before, I'm going to roll this thing over on its side now so you can see it. After I put oil in it, because I'm going to. The battery sits up in under here. The other side. Yep, and I lost a drop of oil. And the gas tank is on the other side here. I have not fueled it yet. No E85. So that's basically it. It's ready to go. I'll be getting gas and I'll pump it on again and let you guys hear it run.